We have different kind of reports as well for tracking and analysis. First one is the lead report, which will show you lead status distribution in open, closed, in progress, and unknown, with hot leads, warm leads, and cold leads based on the counts and the percentages. Then how many products and services the lead has been interested in with the count and percentages. We have reasons for loss or not interested leads, leads by campaign, like how many leads were stored by campaign, and other kinds of sources. We have monthly lead trends as well with the conversion rate trend, follow-ups by agent, lead agent distribution, and agent performance leaderships with their name, how many leads they converted, what was the conversion rate with the revenue generated. Then we have ticket reports. In ticket reports, we have SLA compliance details, ticket status distribution, ticket priority distribution, performances, external versus internal tickets, top issue categories, etc. Similarly, we have task reports, we have expense reports, and we have HR reports. All will give you the deep analysis and insights of what has been happening in the ZIVUX portal.